if for a belongs to R, prove that sin A sin 60 plus A sin 60 minus A equals to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Second question in this, cos A cos 60 plus A cos 60 minus A with the value 1 by 4 cos 3A. After showing these results, deduce the values sin 20, 40, 60, 80 equals to 3 by 16, and we also to find that the next value cos 5 by 9, 2 pi by 9, 3 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9 is equals to 1 by 16. So this you have to answer. Now come to the question. Answer to the problem. Taking the LHS of the problem. So what they given LHS? LHS is equals to sin A sin 60 plus A sin 60 minus A. Taking the LHS of the problem. Now, so here we have sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B we have. So what we can write? Since we know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B, what is the value? Sin square A minus sin square B is the formula. Apply the formula to this, which is equals to sin A as it is. This we are going to write sin square 60 degree minus sin square A. So writing the formula, A becomes 60, B becomes A in this case. Now multiply inside. Before that, write the sin 60 value. What is the sin 60? Sin A of sin 60 of a square, because the value 3 by 4, because root 3 by 2 of a whole square, minus sin square A. Multiply this inside, which is equals to 3 by 4 into, let us take LCM in the bracket, sin A of, take an LCM, by 4 till LCM, 3 minus 4 sin square A. Now multiply sin inside, which is equals to 3 sin A minus sin A into the value 4 sin cube A, because 5 is there, one more sign multiply. So by 4 we can write this as 1 by 4 of. Now what it is? It is the sin 3A formula only now. So which is equals to 1 by 4 into sin 3A. As it is, second also we have to do. So now taking the second one in this, LHS of the problem what they given? Cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A. Again, here we have cos A plus B into cos A minus B. What we can write? Formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B. What is the formula? Cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. Now apply this, which is equals to cos A into cos square A becomes the value cos square 60 minus sin square B with the value sin square A. Now write the 60 of a cos angle, cos A into, what is the 60 value of that? 1 by 2 of a square, 1 by 4 minus sin square A. So now take the LCM again. So this is equals to cos A into LCM taken with the value 4. After taking LCM, numerator with the value 1 minus 4 sin square A. So before write multiplying inside, write a sin square, sin in terms of the cos function, because you have to show the result cos 3A. Cos 3A formula what it is? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, means both the functions should be a cos. But here we are in sin. So further what you do? Use the identity, write this in terms of the cos function. Cos A into 1 minus 4 of sin square A value. Sin square A we can write as a 1 minus cos square A. 4 1 minus cos square A by 4. By 4 I am going to write equals to 1 by 4 of 4 LCM 1 by 4 of I am going to write. Now next simplification, 1 by 4 cos A into multiply inside, it is a minus 4, it is a plus 1, becomes a minus 3, it is a minus or minus plus, so I am going to write cos function first cos square A 4 times, then after it is a minus 3. Now multiply this inside, 1 by 4 of cos A becomes 4 cos cube A minus 3 times of a value 3 cos A. So what is this? It is the formula of a cos 3 only, na? So that 1 by 4 of cos 3A. So it is the second answer. It is the second answer. Now, so we shown these two results. After showing the result, deduce that this side that value you have to reduce. Reduce means what? We have to write angle is equal to some result. So here sine function will go first. 20. A put the value 20. A put the value 20. Suppose if I say it is the equation 1, suppose. So put A is equal to 20 degrees in equation 1. Then what you will get? Sine A becomes 20. 60 plus 20. 80. 60 minus 20. 40, which is equal to the value 1 by 4 into sine 3 times 20 equals to 60. 3 times 20. So then after 1 by 4 into the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So here we got this only, but what we required here, sine 60 is also there. So let us now take the value of this. Therefore sine 20, sine 40, sine 60, sine 80. This value we are finding. So 20, 80, 40 equals to this much. So here more we have 60 degrees. What is the sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Put the value in this. This is equals to. So these two values and this value be the result this one. So root 3 by 4 to the 8 we get. Again sine 60 is there. Sine 60 is the value root 3 by 2. Finally, root 3 into root 3 is a 3. 8 to the 16. It is the answer. Similarly, we have to prove this result. To prove this result, we have to put the value into the cos function. What is the first term? Pi by 9. Put A is equal to pi by 9. Again, let us say it is the equation number 2. Put the value A is equals to pi by 9 in equation 2. In equation 2. Now 2 becomes cos pi by 9 into cos pi by 9 how much? Pi by 9 is 20 degrees. 180 by 9. 20 degrees. 60 plus 20. 80 degrees. Cos 80. Or else you can write 60 plus 20 over let us 80 degrees. Then after it is cos 60 minus 20, 40 degrees is equals to 1 by 4 times cos function 3 times 20 with the value 60 again. So this also I am going to write in 20 degrees. And now if we simplify this, it is a 1 by 4 into sin 60 with the value 1 by 2 only. So the total is a 1 by 8 is the value. But what we require here? 20, 40, 60, 80 also. Here 20, 40, 80 only it is there. 60 is not there. So 60 value of the cos function we know in the write the value. Therefore, cos function of pi by 9, 2 pi by 9, 3 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9, which is equals to 20, 40, 60. We know the value. Sorry, 80. We know the value. 60 we have to write the value. So what is the other than this? Remaining result is this. This is the value 1 by 8 into. Again it is a cos 60 only. Cos 60 with the value 1 by 2. So if you put the value then you will get the result 1 by 16. What you have to show that result? 1 by 16. It is the answer. The next problem. If 3a is not an odd multiple of a pi by 2, prove that tan a tan 60 plus a tan 60 minus a will be the value tan 3a, and find the value of tan 6 tan 42 tan 66 tan 78. So here whatever is given, let us forget about that. If it is, then only this exists. So simply answer the question what is given. So coming to the question, here tan function is there. Previous problem we solved for the sin cos functions. So that convert this into the sin cos function. So answer to the question of this, LHS of the problem is that tan a tan 60 plus a tan 60 minus a. Convert into the sin cos functions, which is equals to sin a by cos a. Sin 60 minus a, here initially plus a by cos 60 plus a. Sin 60 minus a by cos 60 minus a. Converting into the sin cos functions. So all these are the products, nothing but numerator is a product and denominator product we can separate now, so that we can write it is a whole divide only. Already we solved this problem in the previous. It is a problem value 1 by 4 sin 3a. Now for this you have to prove again. So if I take the value numerator, sin a sin 60 plus a sin 60 minus a, which is equals to sin a into sin a plus b into sin a minus b becomes sin square a minus sin square b. Now this is equals to, write the value, sin a into sin 60 with the value root 3 by 2, square of the value 3 by 4 minus sin square a. Once again sin a, taken LCM, 4 is the LCM. After that 3 minus 4 sin square a. Now write final result, 1 by 4 of sin a multiply inside, it is a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So what is this? It is the sin 3a formula. It is the sin 3a formula. Means numerator result is this. Similarly find the denominator result. Means taken a cos function, prove the result again. Taking the denominator again, cos a cos 60 plus a cos 60 minus a, which is equals to again cos a into a plus b into cos function, cos square a minus sin square b. Simplify, cos a into cos 60 with the value 1 by 2, square becomes 1 by 4 minus, here now only I am going to write sin square function 1 minus cos square a function. Now simplify, cos a, taken LCM, 4 is the LCM, here we get 1 minus 4 minus of a minus plus sign 4 cos square a. So finally you can say it is a 1 by 4 of cos multiply inside. Before that it is a minus 3, it is a plus 4 cos square a into cos cube a. Again it is a minus 3 times cos a. So what it is? It is a cos 3a formula only. Write the value 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Now we got this numerator result and denominator result. So find the results like this. Then after continuing, suppose if I say it is the equation 1. Now put the values into the equation 1. So substituting the values into the equation 1, equation 1 implies that it is the one equation. So which is equals to, so result of the numerator what it is? 1 by 4 sin 3a. Denominator result what it is? 1 by 4 cos 3a. 1 by 4 get cancelled. Sin by cos function becomes tan function. So what we have to show? It is the RHS of the problem. Taken LHS, show the result RHS. Next we have to find this value. To get that again, put the value a equals to 6. So let us say it is the equation, some other equation number. Suppose if it is a, put the value a is equals 6 degrees. Put a equals to 6 degrees in a equation A. Now if I put the value, it becomes tan 6 degrees, 60 plus 6, 66 degrees, 60 minus 6, tan 54 degree equals to tan 3a, tan 18 degrees. So what we require here? 6 we have, 66 we have, 42 we require, 78 require, but here we have the 54. So further what we will do is, we will write a equals to, here what we are not getting, 78. To get the 78, you have to put the a is equals to 18, then you will get the value. 60 minus 18, 42 you will get. So once again put a is equals to 18. So once again put a is equals to 18 degrees in a equation, same again. So this implies that once again write the values, tan 18 degrees, tan 78 degrees because 60 plus 18, 78 degrees, tan 42 degrees equals to tan function 18 degrees are 54 degrees. Now in the answer question 54 is not there. Write the tan 54 value into this. So let us say it is some other equation 2. Put this value into the equation. It is a 3 suppose. Put the value equation 3 in equation 2. Put the value equation 3 in equation 2. Implies that tan 6 as it is. Tan 66 as it is. Tan 54. What is the tan 54? It is a value. Tan 18. Tan 78. Tan 42. Which is equals to tan 18 as it is. Tan 18 as it is. Now see. So 60 is we have the value, 66 is there, 78 is there, 18 we have extra. But the sin 18 we have on both the sides. So if you cancel that, the result of this is equals to 1. So that is the final answer. This implies that tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees, tan 78 degrees equals to value 1. All values we have tan 6, tan 42, 66, 78. So no more value outside. So equals to 1. It is the solution for the problem. The next problem is that if 0 is less than a is less than b is less than pi by 4, sin of a plus b angle given 24 by 25, cos of a minus b angle given 4 by 5. Then the question is to find the tan 2a. Tan 2a we have to find. So here a plus b angle, a minus b angle is given. Question is to find the 2a value. So can we write 2a is equals to a plus b plus of a minus b? Can we write? A plus b angle we know, a minus b know. Question is to 2a we have to find. So that 2a is equals to a plus of a minus b. B we get cancelled, a plus a here 2a we can write it now. It is like this we can. Then after tan 2a value you have to find. Take a tan function on both the sides. This implies tan 2a equals to tan function of a plus b plus of a minus b, taking tan on both the side. Now assume this is the a angle, nothing but theta 1, it is a theta 2. Tan of theta 1 plus theta 2. Write the formula. So this is equals to tan A plus B plus tan A minus B by 1 minus tan A plus B into tan A minus B. Tan of, assume this as a angle, it is a B angle. Tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That will I wrote here. But we have sin of angle, cos of angle we have. But we require here tan functions. Then how can we get the values of tan functions? Here they given A is less than B and the values of both in and less than pi by 4 will be set. So A less than B and values lies between pi by 4 is given in the problem. This implies that if I add a value A and B, what is the maximum you will get? Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 2, 90. Less than the 90 you will get. And minimum is the value 0. And if I point value of this also in the first quadrant only value will get done. So using this concept, these values given, use the triangle, find these values. Sin of A plus B is given that sin of A plus B value given that 24 by 25. So A plus B in which quadrant it lies? 0 and pi by 2 nothing but first quadrant only. So that if I prepare a triangle for this, it is the A plus B angle. A plus B angle. Sin function is given 24, 25. What is the other side you get? Using the Pythagoras you get the 7. And sin this A plus B in the first quadrant. So first quadrant it is. So first quadrant all functions are positive only. So we can write the tan function value becomes 24 by 7. We can write a tan of A plus B we can write. Similarly, cos function of A minus B is given. Cos function of A minus B is given 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is given. So from this, if I prepare one more triangle for this, A minus B angle of the triangle, cos function is given is 4 and 5. What is the other side? 3 you will get using the Pythagoras. Again, A minus B also lies in the 0 and 90 means it is also in the first quadrant. If you take any function value from this triangle, all are positives only. So tan of A plus B from this. Tan of A plus B from this triangle. What is the value? 24 by 7. Again, tan of A minus B from this. Tan of A minus B from this triangle. What is the value? 3 by 4. Now put these values into this. So this equals to A plus B tan function is 24 by 7 plus sin of A minus B value is a 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus of 24 by 7 into 3 by 4. Simplify this. 7 4s are 28 with the LCM. 28 with the LCM. After taking LCM, 24 4s are 96. 7 3s are 21. Denominator take the LCM. 28 with the LCM again. 128 becomes 28. It is a minus of 24 3s are 72. This LCM get cancelled. The value of this is equals to, what is the numerator of sum? 11 117. 1.7 by, it is the value 72 means 30 42 44 minus. So it is the tan 2a value. The question is to find the tan 2a value. So tan 2a becomes minus 117 by 44. It is the answer for the problem. Prove that sin 18 degrees is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4. It is a one question. Cos 36 degrees is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So these are the well known values only, but you have to prove this. Okay? To prove this, solution of the problem, let us assume that A with the angle equals to 80 degrees. So what multiple of this value equals to well-known value you get? 5 times of 18 is a 90. 90 is the well-known value. So that what I am doing is I am going to write 5 times of A. I am going to split this as a 2A plus 3A. 2A plus 3A. Now 18 it becomes a 90 degrees. 90 degrees is equals to 2 times A, nothing but 36 degrees. Otherwise let us write as it is 2A plus 3A only. Now take one value to the other side. 2A equals to 90 minus 3A, taking the value to the other side. Now sine function of the value required, I am going to apply sine function on both the sides. Sine 2A equals to sine 90 minus 3A. What is the value of sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Cos 3A. It is the sine 3A value. Now write the 2A and 3A formulas for this. This implies that 2A formula what it is? 2 sine A cos A, it is the formula. For the cos 3A, 4 cos 2A minus 3 cos A, it is the formula. Now cos is a common in these two, take a common. Cos A taken as a common. 4 cos square A minus 3 is the remainder. So this side we have 2 sine A cos A. Now one cos function get cancelled. One cos function get cancelled. So this implies that 2 sine A equals the value this one. Now convert totally into the sine of value only because you have to find the sine of angle. So this write as a sine function. What we can write? 1 minus sine square A, we can write it minus 3 as it is. 4 of cos square function becomes 1 minus sine square A minus 3 as it is. So it is the value of 2 sine A. If I simplify, you will get the quadratic sine function. What is the function that? This implies that 4 minus 4 sine square A taken to the other side plus 4 sine square A. I am going to write this here. Now simplify this. 4 times of minus sine square becomes plus 4 sine square A. Then after 2 sine A we have. Then after it is a plus 4 minus 3 is a plus 1. Taken to the other side, minus 1 equals 0. It is a quadratic sine A. Now solve this equation. So here we cannot factorize. Use the formula. It is a quadratic in a sine theta, sine A, which is quadratic equation in sine A, which is a quadratic in sine A. So find the values of sine A. This implies that sine A equals to, what is the formula? Minus B. Minus B becomes minus 2 plus or minus root over B square minus 4 into A into C. Minus of minus becomes plus again. 4 4s are 16 into 1 is a 16 by 2 times A with the value 2 times 4. If I simplify this, minus 2 plus or minus, it is a root 20. Root 20 we can write as a 4 into 5. 2 root 5 we can. So 2 root 5 by 2 into 4. 2 we can take a common, we can cancel the value. It is a plus or minus sign. Minus 2 plus or minus root 5 by 4. It is a plus 1 only. 2 taken common, cancelling the value. Now, what is A? A is 18 degree. It is an acute angle. Acute angle becomes, it is a positive sign only. So here in this value should be positive, we have to take. This implies that sine A equals to positive sign you have to take. Positive sign becomes positive value I am going to write first. Then after minus 1 by 4. If I simplify this, you are getting the positive result only now. Since A is equals to 18. A is equals to 18, nothing but it is acute angle. If it is acute angle, with a positive you have to get. So sin A equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4. What is the A? A is 18 degree. So that we can say sin 18 with the value root 5 minus 1 by 4.